Does this look familiar? You drop an egg into the water, and the white just spreads everywhere. It looks messy, and your poached egg never turns out right. But don't worry, I've got a simple solution for you. In this video, I'll show you how to make perfect poached eggs using easy methods, even for beginners. Watch till the end, and you'll get it right every time. Tip number 1. Take a pan or a pot and add about 1 liter of water. Cover it and bring the water to a boil. While it's heating, take 2 small bowls and add a little water to each one. Gently crack an egg into the bowl, making sure not to break the yolk. Add a pinch of salt to taste. Now, the water should be boiling. Open the lid then and reduce the heat. You want the water to be calm, not bubbling too hard. When the water is gentle, carefully slide the egg into the pan. Do it slowly, so the yolk stays intact. Once the egg white starts to set, cover with a lid and cook for 1 to 2 minutes. Open the lid, and your poached egg is ready. Carefully take it out and place it on a plate. Just look at this. Perfect shape, soft white, and that creamy yolk inside. Tip number 2. Take a small bowl and gently crack an egg into it, making sure not to break the yolk. Add some water, just like I show in the video. Add a pinch of salt to taste. Then, gently pierce the yolk with a fork, just a little. Place it in the microwave, close the door, and cook for 1 to 2 minutes. If you want a softer yolk, cook for 1 minute. For a firmer texture, cook for 2. 2 minutes later, take it out of the microwave, and just like that, your poached egg is ready. Carefully remove it from the bowl and place it on a plate. Just look at this. Perfect shape, soft inside, simple, quick, and looks like a restaurant-style dish. Tip number 3. Take 2 small bowls and lightly grease each one using a silicone brush with a little olive oil or vegetable oil. Now carefully crack 1 egg into each bowl, making sure the yolk stays perfectly intact. Add salt to taste, and if you like, sprinkle in your favorite spices. I personally love using spices. It makes the flavor much better. Next, take a pot or deep pan and fill it with water, about halfway, or as shown in the video. Gently place the bowls inside the water. Make sure they are heat resistant, able to handle high temperatures. Cover with a lid and cook for about 5 to 6 minutes. After that, your eggs are ready. Turn off the heat and carefully remove the bowls using gloves or a towel to avoid burning yourself. Now take a silicone spatula and gently run it around the edges to loosen the egg. Carefully lift it out and place it on a plate. And just look at this result. Perfectly round eggs, smooth and clean shape. Let's cut into it. Inside, it's exactly how I like it. Not too runny, not too hard, just the perfect texture. Add a little greenery or extra spices if you want. I always prefer it with herbs. It makes it even more delicious. And look at this, just perfect restaurant-style eggs at home. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe.